Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the two stoppers in the glove box. Lower the glove box. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unhook the dampener arm. Lower the glove box. Pinch the tabs of the filter housing and pull outwards to remove it. This model did not have a cabin filter installed in the housing. Clean out any debris if the housing is dirty. Install your new AQ1143 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. Lift the glove box and reinstall the stoppers by threading the rubber part through first. Then, push until it clicks into place. Remember that lifting the housing makes it easier. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.